Let's shout in this question is to first of all write down the prime numbers less than 100 that use some of these digits. So single digits, 2, 3, and 5. And what that actually tells us is that the 1 and the 4 must be used in a two-digit prime, either 1 something, 4 something, or the other way around. Something, 1. Actually, we can't have something 4. So this is a bit of a clue, I think, because we know that the prime that we use is going to have to be 40 something. You might even make a guess at this point that it's D, but we should really just check. Now let's look at the double digit primes. So ones that start with 1 are going to be 13. Starting with 2, we're going to get 23. Starting with 3 is 31. That's the only option. 4, we've got 41 and 43. And then for 5, I've got 51 is actually divisible by 3 because the sum of the digits is 6. 53 works. Okay, so I'm now going to focus on 41 and 43. I have to have one of these two. Let's say I use 41. Actually, I'm going to focus on 43 because I'm kind of thinking, you know what, this is probably the answer. So for 43, I'm left to use 1, 2, and 5. Now, the only way I can't use 13 now, so the only way, actually there's a problem immediately because I can't use 3 and I can't use 4, there's no way that I can use 1. So I cannot have 43 in the list because it stops me getting other primes, which means it must be 41. Now let's just carry on. I mean, I've answered the question, that is the answer, but let's just check and show that it's, we can actually find a list. So I've got rid of the 43. I've used the 41. That means I can't use 31 because I've already used a 1. I can't use 13. Okay, I think there's going to be some different combinations now. So let's say I use 23, the 2 and the 3, then I could use 5. Actually, I could also use the 2 and the 3 separately and the 5 separately. That would work. Is there any other way? If I don't use 23, well, I could use 53 and then I could use 2. So I think I've systematically shown all the lists that I could write down actually, and all of them contain different primes except for this 41.